Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry from one piece only way. Start by measuring your spices and setting them out so you can adjust easily as you cook. Heat oil, then bloom the spices until fragrant. This step really boosts flavor. Add your aromatics and toast briefly before deglazing with a bit of liquid to capture any fond. Simmer the single piece gently with coconut milk or stock, then taste and balance with salt, lime, or a touch of sweetness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while cooking, on hikes, or during long prep sessions, and it pairs nicely with kitchen routines. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more about it and grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. After combining your ingredients, maintain a gentle simmer so the sauce reduces and concentrates without separating. Cook until the single piece is cooked through and tender, then rest it briefly in the sauce to absorb flavor. Finish by stirring in fresh herbs and a splash of citrus to lift the dish. Plate alongside rice or flatbread and garnish just before serving so the textures remain vibrant and inviting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.